Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Now, for our self growth, everyone wants to grow up. What we should do? Whether we can depend on others or no. For our better growth, we have to focus on ourselves. Focusing on ourselves means what we should do. First thing is, we should have the power of self-improvement. Self-improvement means what? We have to have our own responsibility. And don't be under the impression you can grow overnight. No. Take small steps. With the baby steps, you can improve yourself. Daily tell yourself, every day, little by little, I am going to become better. Have good hobbies, have good habits, and very, very important is be honest to yourself. Honesty is the foundation of the growth. So be honest. Don't depend on others. Don't think that he is there, he will help me. My father is there, my teacher is there, my friend is there. No. If you want to change yourself, if you want to improve yourself, with the self-improvement only you can make the changes. So concentrate on yourself. Take the responsibility. Next is fill your mind with good ideas, good habits, read good books, listen to good lectures, have good company. After that, you should have good discipline. And with that, start it today itself. Don't say, I will start it from tomorrow, from Monday, from 1st of next month. No. Immediately, because tomorrow never comes. So, start immediately. Next is, you should have control on yourself. Whatever let it be. Let it be watching your own mobile. You should have the control on yourself. Others can't control. Even others tell they won't be able to bring a change in you. Then who will be able to bring a change in you? That is you yourself, not others. So tell yourself that everything I am going to bring under my control. Don't blame your teachers, don't blame your institution, don't blame your parents, or don't blame the environment. Start it with yourself. If you have to blame, you have to blame your own self, nobody else. So follow the discipline. Okay, daily I am going to read 10 pages of the book. Daily do it. Daily 10 minutes I am going to clean the house. Clean it. So follow some discipline. Getting up early in the morning. Have the discipline. Daily I want to get up at 6 o'clock. I want to go for the walk. I want to go for swimming. Whatever it is. Cultivate the discipline. Next important thing is live in the present. Don't think about the past. Okay, these mistakes I did in the past, I am blamed for that. No. Or don't even dwell on good things you have done in the past. Okay, when I was in 8th standard, I used to stand first in the class. Forget it. What is today? Today matters. how you are today. So, start living in the present. And it should be consistent. It is not for a few hours, all 24 hours. You should be in the present, not in the past or not in the future. Start living in the present and stop comparing yourself with others. Nowadays, social media, as I told you, it is a great curse, I will tell you. Because you youngsters, what you do? You compare yourself with so many others. And on social media, immediately they will have the photographs, they will have the videos, and immediately you will start comparing yourself with your friends, relatives, whoever it is. So, you are knowing, people are showing only good things on social media. Nobody is showing the bad things. They show their beautiful house. They never show their EMI or how much they are struggling to pay the loan. Nothing they are going to show. They show only the good things. So, don't dwell yourself in the noise of the social media. It is a noise. Come out of it and learn who you are. Think about yourself, what you are, how you can change yourself. So focus on yourself, not on others. People show their interest. You find out what is your interest. Your interest might be different than others. So, you concentrate, you focus on your own interest and know who you are. Don't look at others at all. No need of you are knowing validation from others. You should have the approval of your own self. So don't compare yourself with others. Nowadays, what I see is people keep on comparing themselves because of the social media. It is a noise. It is a noise, meaningless noise. So you look at yourself, your likes, what you like, what is your dream, what are your abilities, what are your likes, what are your dislikes. Next is, you are knowing you are living for the self. Life is going on moving. You are knowing whenever you are in need, remember that nobody will come to your help. It is you yourself who have to help yourself. So when you do a good things, always keep on appreciating yourself. Feel that, okay, I am proud, I have done this. Don't wait for somebody else to say good, nice. No. You yourself, if you feel the work, what you have done is good, you have to appreciate yourself. Then give a tiny gift for yourself. Let it be a chocolate or a meal outside, or go and watch some nice movie or go to the theater, whatever it's. Gift yourself. Don't wait others. Okay, others have not congratulated me. They have not told anything about it. No, don't be bothered. You yourself congratulate yourself. So what we have to do is, if you want to grow up in life, you have to focus on yourself. Don't focus at others. What generally we do is we focus at others. Let it be on social media, on our friends, or on our neighbors. No, don't do this mistake again. Focus on yourself and then have a nice growth. Have a nice day.